In this video, we will install Ubuntu on an OVH VPS. Log into OVH control panel. Click on Bare Metal Cloud. From the left menu, click on Virtual Private Servers. You will get a list of all VPS on your OVH account. In this case, we have 2 VPS in this account. Click on the VPS on which you need the OS reloaded. If you have more than one VPS, make sure you selected the correct VPS. When you OS reload, all the data on the VPS will be lost. If you OS reload wrong VPS by accident, then only way to get back the data is by restoring from a backup. On the VPS details page, the OS/distribution shows current version of operating system installed on the VPS. In this case, we have Ubuntu 20.10. Click on the 3 dots right side of the OS/distribution. From the drop down, select Reinstall my VPS. In the Reinstall my VPS pop-up, select the operating system you want to install. In this case, we will select Ubuntu 20.04. The second select box allows you to select an SSH key for passwordless authentication. If you don't select any SSH keys, VPS will be installed with the password authentication. In this case, we will use password authentication. Click on Confirm button to start the OS installation. OS installation will take some time. I will pause the video now and resume after the installation is completed. OS installation is now complete. You will get an email from OVH with the server password. Let's try connecting to the server using SSH. On Ubuntu installation, OVH use Ubuntu as the username to log in. To become user root, you can run the command sudo su. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please subscribe for more videos like this.